of the keyboard, there are two shift key. Both keys are located at the bottom row. It is given for the convenience of the user. It is used to capitalize a letter. Let's understand how to use shift key. Suppose you want to capitalize the word W, which is on the left side of your hand. Then press the shift key on the right side of your hand. Let's take another example. Suppose you want to capitalize the word P, which is on the right side of your hand. Then use the shift key on the left side of your hand. In other words, if you want to capitalize any word located on the left hand side, then use the shift key on the right hand side or vice versa.